After spending 3 months in Guantanamo, the boat is partially repaired and ready to sail. We've been here for so long that we became part of the community, and it was hard to leave. After a little goodbye party, we pushed off and moored away. When all of a sudden, do you have Leila? We forgot Leila. It turns out she hid in her friend's car because she wanted to stay.
If that don't make the Guantanamo newspaper.
Hey, you passed 80%, bro. That's good.
Layla, we love you, sweet pea. We'll see you soon, Layla, okay? Yes.
For the first time, we were on a journey as a family. It was probably not the best idea to sail out of Guantanamo at night on our first sail in a long time and not shipshape. The night was rough. We all slept on the flybridge. The salon under us was trashed. Everything was flying around. We all got seasick except Daddy. He might be immune. Can you imagine how happy we were when we finally saw the sunrise? And then we noticed the dolphins that were following us. And all of a sudden, everything was alright. There's our island! I can see it! Our first destination was the island of Navassa, where we heard snorkeling and diving was great. It's an uninhabited U.S. island between Haiti and Jamaica. People told us that they know someone who had been going there for a dive trip 30 years ago, or something like that.
So, there's a bay over there called Lulu Bay. It's supposed to be fantastic. Great little stop on our way to Haiti. No bay there. Tiny little dugout. And we've got southerlies blowing in. It's completely unprotected. So we're going to sail again all night tonight. Next stop, Haiti.
Goodbye, little island. It was nice to meet you. I wish we could have stayed. Now we have to sail another night to Haiti. The seas were rough, the traveler blew, so Daddy fixed it temporarily. The whole time we were beating right into the wind. This is the island of ile-a-vache, the cow island. Locals came to the boat right away in little dugout canoes and offered us to show us the island, and that's what we're going to do now. Since we don't have any dinghy anymore, my mommy and I took the kayak, and Layla and Ava rode in the tree canoe. How cool! They said it was really wiggly. we were allowed to visit the elementary school. If children want to attend a high school, they have to go to the mainland and stay in an apartment. The church got destroyed during the hurricane. They tried to build it back up, but they don't have the finances.
Eva, just leave it. We can take all those coconuts.
We put it fully.
Yeah. Leave them here, okay? That's okay. For her, it's treasure.
Look how creative! They made a wall out of empty bottles.
Get out of the way, everybody. Donkey's coming.
No, it's a coconut, Leila.
But for Leila, it's a soccer ball now.
This is a lesson how to clean a seashell. If you find them, they're usually sandy and gray, but if you rub them in sand, they become shiny and polished. Beautiful, right? Thanks for watching, everyone. In our next episode, we're going to go to the beach and ride horses to the market in Madame Bernard. If you guys liked it and want to see all our upcoming adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook.